Hey chat, welcome to the brand new stream today. I think we are live now. Let me refresh this. Yes, we are live chat. Hey chat. Yes, welcome to the stream. Hello. We have two best friends in our chat now. Welcome to the stream. We have Panther and we have Sahana in the house. From by birth, bro, I look sexy from birth. By birth. What is up? Crazy. Yeah. Before we start our stream, hi Sana, how is your university exam preparation going on? And also Panther, how is your campus drive going on? Biceps दिखा भाई नहीं दिखा सकता भाई. Bro, tomorrow I have interview for SD intern role with 40K. Bro, I wish you the best luck. And also, Panther also wishes you the best luck. And don't forget, when I will be able to unlock the super chat, right? Have to make a super chat, okay? Flux tuber. Don't forget it. Panther. The problem with showing the biceps is the background is white and I am very white, right? So they get blend with each other, so you can't see that. That's why that's the problem. Vajjid by first round man. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಈಸಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಳ್ಳೆ. Flux tuber, all the best for you. Even my friends are ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, it's him and I will do super chat for sure. Yes, I mean best of luck for tomorrow and I wish you get more than expected. Okay. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ವಿ. ಅಯ್ಯಪ್ಪ ಶಿವ, ನಿಮ್ದ ಹೆಂಗೈತಪ್ಪ, ನಮ್ದು ಹೆಂಗ ಬರ್ತಾಳ. His voice correct. More than expected, okay? By super chat ಯಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಬೈ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಈಗ. Panther, the problem is to unlock super chat we have to cross ಬೈಸಪ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೇನೆ ಈಗ ಕಾಣಂಗಲ್ಲ ಅವು super chat. To get super chat we have to cross 500 subscribers and which you are not telling your friends to subscribe me, and also we have to cross 4000 or 3000 watch hour. ನಿಮ್ ದೋಸ್ತರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಮಗನ ನೀ. ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಶಾಹಿದ್ ಹಳ್ಳಿಕೇರಿಗೆ ಕರೀಲೆ. Yes, guys, while moving, while starting our chat, what we'll start with our stream now. Before we start with the stream, we started CP-31, right? In 800, we are almost about to end 800 rating problems today. Today I solved this we need 0 and 1 2 bhai 67 ಸಬ್ದಾಗ 87 ನಾವೇ ಇದೀವಿ. ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಹೊರಗೆ. ಅದು ಒಳಗಿನ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್, ಅದು ಹೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು. Make it 1 and 2 several mochas are. I solved today these two problems, and if we solve these four, we will be officially completed this 800 rating. We will move to 900, I guess, tomorrow. Yes, we are good to go, right? We are about to start a stream now. Everybody in the house? Okay, let's start with our first problem, with the boring stuff that we do every day. ಭಾಳ ಬೆಳಕು ಕಾಣತಿಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು. Let's go, let's go. Yes. Okay, chat. Before coming to the stream, I read this question. What the question is trying to tell is, he will be giving an array, like any array, till n will be given, and till n number of inputs will be given for us in a vector. If a number is sum of ಅದಿನ್ಲೇ ಮೊದಲಿಂತ್ರ ಅದನ್ನ ಬೆಳಗ ಸಾಕ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕು. ಇನ್ನು ಶಾದೆ ನೋಡ್ಯಾರ ಮತ್ತೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. ಇನ್ನೂ ನೀನ ಮಾಡತ್ತನ್ನೇ ಸಾಕು. Array is called ugly if it contains at least one element which is equals to sum of all elements before it. If the array is not ugly, it is beautiful. An array A is called ugly. Okay. We will be given an array. So if any element present in that is sum of its previous sum of all the elements before it, then it is ugly. ಮಾಡ ಸಿ ಯು ಸುನ್ ಹಾಂ ಮಾಡಿ ವಾಟ್ ಏನು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಇಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿ ನಂಗೆ ವಾಚ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬೇಕು ಏನ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಇಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿ 3366. An array is called ugly if it contains at least one element which is equal to sum of all elements before it. If so, brightness ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಭಾಳ ಬೆಳಕು ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ನಾನು. Okay. So what we will do is we will just reverse it. So if we reverse it, just we will consider an array for testing it. 1 2 3 4 5. If we reverse it, 4 3 2 1, it can't be sum. Then we will check if it is actually sum. Done. If it is actually sum, then we will just reverse it. Yes, if it is not less than, then it should be less than. Okay, chat. ಬಸ್ದಾಗ ಅದಿನ್ಲೇ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಇರ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಇವತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಯ್ತು ತಗೋ. ಹಾಂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿನೇ ಭಾವಿ ಕೂಡ. Let's take 366. If we reverse this, we will get 633. What we will do is we will just should I use Excel draw? I'll today I think I'll use Excel. ಇದು ಸುಳ್ಳ ಪಾಲ್ತು ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. Guys, what I'm saying was, it is just waste of time if I use this. I know that. We have 3. What I'm thinking is 336, right? No, before this, we'll consider an array. 1 2 3 4 5. So these element is sum of these two elements, right? Then it will be ugly. So we should rearrange them in a such a way that uh, it should be a beautiful array. Means the element should not be sum of its previous elements. So what we will do is we will just reverse this, like 5 4 3 2 1. Now uh, no element is sum of its previous element. So now if, so it will work if we just reverse it, but it will not work when the first test case is present, right? 336. So now what we have to do is this, as usual we have to reverse it, like 6 6 3 3. Now if any elements are same, as we go we'll check, right? When we reverse it, now we will check one by one if it should be, the next element should be less than, should be less than the previous element. If it is not, then we will just take this element and then swap it with this element. What if there are three elements? Yes, that's the case. There must be something given that, yes, we'll just swap it. First we'll try this, okay? We'll get 6363. It can be written. It is a beautiful array. Now what if we have 6 6, no, I mean, what if we have barley, 3 3 6 6 6, but we have like this, then we have to 6 3 6 3 6, we have to make a array like this, right? But if we reverse this, we will get 6 6. If we reverse this, we will get 6 6 6 3 3. We will get like this. Now now we have same elements here. We will swap this with, according what we thought here. If we apply that rule here, we will get 6, we'll get 6 here and 6 here, and then we will just keep doing this. We will not achieve anything. So what we have to do, reversing is perfect, we have to reverse it, but we have to reverse it, but 6 is actually 6, right? So we can't keep it as it is. But oh, 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 oh. Oof. Okay, we can do like this. uh, so I think there must be only two numbers which we have, which will repeat itself in that array. But what if there are three elements present in the same array? We can't do anything, right? The problem is, if we have three elements like 3 3 6 6 6, now we the array can, we can achieve this. But how will we achieve this? We have to make it like this, right? First, what we'll do is we'll just reverse it. But now, we have to come up with something that Now we'll start counting from this side. If this is not less than, so what we will do, we will just should should we consider like this also? Then we will just swap it with this, then we come here, from here, then we come here, then we will achieve 63636. But for this what we have to do is, this is our custom what input, right? This is our custom input. So initially, okay, first, at initially what we thought is, we have 3366. What will 6 ray 6? Now what we will do is, we will reverse it first. 636633, right? Now what we'll do is, uh, what I'll do is, I'll check from here. I'll check if this is not less than this, I will swap this number with this. We'll get 6363. Now we were here. But how will we check this? Okay, we this number is on this side. Now, no, we have to check the sum of these elements, right? The sum of these elements. Array, it is in simple mistake I am doing. I am while thinking. Simple mistake I am doing here. So I have to make it like uh, wait, chat. Let me think. We, if there are only two elements repeating themselves, I have we can code for that. But the logic we have to think for, what if there are three elements repeating itself, like here, this one right here. We have to figure it out for this. What we'll do is, we'll apply the sum rule now. 3366, right? We'll reverse it, like we will get 6633 is, first we'll check, is sum of is greater than, no it is not. So what we will do, we'll swap this element 6363. Now, no it is not, no it is not, no it is not sum. So we will get this, we will achieve this. Now what we'll do is, 33666, what we'll do now is reverse it, right? 66633, is this sum or equals to this? Yes it is. So what we will do is, okay, we can take this and then reverse this. We get 6336. Then what we'll do is this uh, equals to this? No it is not. Is this equals to this? No it is not. Is this equals to this? No it is not. We can just do this sum of all the, he has given here, sum of all the elements before it. We have to consider all the elements, not just two elements, right? Yes, we can do that. Okay, chat. I think we got it. I think we got it. Sum of all the elements, not just two or three elements. Ah, we got it. We'll try it. If not, we'll apply another method. What's going in that, right? Arey, should I decrease my this one? Right? I did not decrease this. Arey, should I decrease my this one? Right? I did not decrease this. Okay, we have got. We'll just now write code here. Ah, now what we'll do is we'll first reverse it. We'll first reverse it because this is the best example for the third one. The third one, reverse of reverse of c dot begin of comma c dot end of the book side. Now we got it right. Now we will check for each element for starting from the first one. Ah, what we'll do is okay. Uh, if chat, if we just reverse uh, if the second element is matching the third element, if the first element is matching the second element and we reverse from the second element, then we will get our answer. However, uh, it may be the array. We can achieve that if it is in reverse order. Okay, if c index 0 equals c index 1, so what we'll do is we will reverse it again. We will reverse from Array, how I have to reverse from second index, right? How can I do that? If I want to reverse the vector from second index, what is reverse function for that? We are using okay, array simple. Reverse c dot begin of c dot plus 2 comma c dot end of. We have to first print it s and then we have to print it the vector. Okay, what we'll do is if there are more than uh, if there are more than two elements. If the vector size is 2 and if we make it a set, then there should be elements 2. Okay, then we can achieve our element. First we have to convert it to set, then we present. Wait, chat. Chat, if for the second test case 10 and 10 are present, right? So if we make it set, we will get count as just 1. So it can't be done. It can't be done. Beautiful array cannot be done with that. So what I will do is I will just take set it and then convert it to vector, and then if the length is 1, then it will not. If it is less than the given length, then it can't be. uh, how can I just do this and then wait, then what I'll do is then can I do this? No, I think I can't do this. I have to then apply it. For auto x in C, what I'll do is I will d dot, you can't push back that. We can't push back in set. Array, then what I'll do is I have to simple, I can check here only. If uh, count of C dot begin comma end of C index 0 equals B, then C out no, right? Yeah. For J index, see what we'll write is we have to print it, right? We have to print it. We have to see out first. Yes. And L. And then see out a J. See out and L, right? Now this has to be right. If it is not, then just print the reverse. This has to work, chat. This has to work. Arey, is it correct? I think it is correct. Now, yes, 4, 4, yes, and 6 and 6. Arey, nahi bhai. It will not, it will not. Plus 2. What hit as not? It has not bhai. What is the condition? If C index 0 equals C index 1, but this has to be correct, right? Uh, uh. Plus K. What is plus K? Now I want to reverse from 20 till 60. Array chat, I am forgetting reversing from second index, but I have wrote there. It should work, right? Now it's working. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ಕಾದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಆಗಲ್ಲೇ 2 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು 6 6 3 3 6 6 ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತದು ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಇರಲಿ ಬಿಡು ವೇಟ್ ಚಾಟ್ what if I type c dot v dot begin of plus 2 there ಅದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಆದ್ರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ it should happen right it should happen now from second index and second index it should reverse but it is not ಅರೆ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆದಿದೆ ನಂಗೆ ಕಾಣತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we will let it be we will submit it first अरे we have not seen all the test cases right 4 4 3 3 6 6 yes we are getting our output now 2 yes we are not getting 5 1 2 3 4 5 right 5 was it 1 it's correct 1 4 4 on 4 it's right no problem with that 178 1783A We are writing it. It is not accepted in the first try. Then it's not possible. Vaibhav Sunalo. I am sorry if I am pronouncing your name wrong. By the way, welcome to the stream, Vaibhav. Does not correspond to the pattern. Yes, no. Array, we have to print that also. We have to print that also. What we have done? We have not printed it. For this one, for this one, that's why it's not giving our output chat. We will copy this. Did I copy this? Yes, we copied. We'll now go. I have not wrote the code like in the else condition. I did not wrote C out S. What was it? 1783. Yes, it is there. Did I write here? No, I did not. I did not. I did not. I copied it. Then also it did not. It's okay. I wrote here now. I wrote here now. Yes, we have solved the question. We will go refresh here. Chat without looking at a hint. I solved it. Without looking at the hint, I solved it. Yeah, but I was getting confused in reversing in the first index and the second index. I asked it. Okay, that's not a big deal. That is STL, memory loss. Let's see how the chat is going on. Our new viewer has come. Vaibhav Sanolo. Sanola. I think he might be new to our first. No, it might be his first stream. Let's see how the chat is going on. This I copied it. Then also it did not. It's okay. I wrote here now. I wrote here now. Yes, we have solved the question. We will go refresh here. Chat without looking at a hint. I solved it. Without looking at the hint, I solved it. Yeah, but I was getting confused in reversing in the. Yeah, I was just getting confused with. I know how to reverse the array, but Jayant, why are you doing DSA? No, just for practice. I have my sem holidays, right? I do this daily. I do this daily, not particularly for placements. My placements are far away from now. I'm just in my. I just completed my second sem. Placements are far away. By the way, welcome to the stream, Jayant. If you are new, please consider subscribing. Elite like. Everybody likes good arrays. Okay, should we start solving this? I think yes. An array is good if for all pairs of adjacent elements. An array A is good if an array A is good if for all pairs of adjacent elements AI and AI plus 1. For all pairs of adjacent elements AI and AI plus 1, I means they are of different odd or even. By now I got to know if they have mentioned parity, then it should be odd or even. Note that an array of size 1 is trivially good if for all pairs of adjacent elements ai and ai plus 1. If for all pairs of adjacent elements ai a b z, thank you, they are just for eye protection. I don't have any numbers, by the way. Thank you, welcome to the stream. An array A is good if for all pairs of adjacent elements ai and ai plus 1 are of different parity. Note that an array of size 1 is total. Okay, you are given an array of size n. Okay, in one operation you can select any pair of adjacent elements in which both elements are of same parity, delete them and insert their product in the same position. Find the minimum number of operations to form a good array. In one operation, you can select any pair of adjacent element in which both elements are of same parity with odd ribbon. Delete them and it's okay. Find the minimum number of operation to form a good array. Huh, we can't do this because it's even sort. We can't do this. We can do this. Should we consider? If we consider 7, consider the first stage, select second and third integer, apply the operation. The array changes from array we can consider. First we'll consider it will be 7 and then 77. So we can't. These all, these all, and first two operations here and one operation here. Okay, chat. What we'll do is we'll take an element for uh, we will count continuous, means what we call a continuous number of non-even, means odd numbers, continuous odd numbers. आपकी क्वालिफिकेशन क्या है? डोंट टेक, अरे पर्सनल लेना ही नहीं है, पर्सनल लेता नहीं मैं, ठीक है. My I am actually second year in my computer science BTech degree, but I don't look like that one. I am in my second year. I am in my second year. Drop out होना, drop लिया था मैंने, that's why. Okay, chat. I know how to code this. What I'll do now is we will excel it. We will use excel it. अरे इधर है भाई, इधर है, किधर तो है वो. हाँ, it is present here. College from NIAT, from NIAT, Mangalore, Karnataka. From NIT. So chat, what I'll do now is I will count number of continuous even counts. Let's consider the third array 1 1 1 2 2. No, we will not consider this. We will consider the first one 1 7 11 2 and 13. What I'll do now is this is one operation. If this and this are same, we'll count 1, and this are there, then we'll count another time. So we got 2 times. Okay, that's the maximum time we got. Next, we can't do here because it's odd, it's even, right? So now what we'll do is 1, we'll take our own input. 1 1 1 2 1 3 2 2 1 1. Now what we'll do is continuous. How many times you got? 2, right? So initially we have 0. How many operations we did? Will we consider these two, right? Consider these two. So we'll get 1. Then again 2. We got it here 2. And again these are odd. Again 1 will add plus 1 for this. And then here 1 plus 1. How many times you got? So basically we'll take an array. No, first, okay. Now for the E1 we have just one operation left. We can do that. For taking this, what I will take is, if this and this are odd, we will add one operation. This and this are again odd, we'll add again odd. I think we can directly I can directly start coding for this. अरे इसका क्या है भाई? अरे we have to take input also, right? Till here we are good. Now what I'll do is, for odd count, मैं अभी अभी मेरा इंटर्नशिप वगैरह कुछ लगा नहीं है भाई. अभी मैं सेकेंड ईयर एंटर कर रहा हूँ. मेरा फर्स्ट ईयर का सेम एग्ज़ाम ख़त्म हुआ. अभी मैं सेकेंड ईयर जा रहा हूँ. ठीक है, अभी मेरा इंटर्नशिप कुछ नहीं चल रहा है. मैं जस्ट ऐसे ही प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ. E1 count equals 0. Okay, now what I'll do is, अबे int ಓ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಣ ಇದೆ? I have not declared it. What I'll do now is, I'll run a loop j less than b, right? What I'll do now is, from if c index j mod 2 equals 0 and c index j plus 1 mod 2 equals 0, what I'll do is, I will increase even count by plus 1. If one and c index j mod 2 equals 1, what I'll do, I'll increase odd count plus 1. And what I'll do, just see out count plus odd count. This should work, chat. This should work. We'll see. If it works, then good. Then if not, then we'll see another way. Oh, ಒಂದ್ ಎರಡು C index 0, right? 0 and C index plus 1 is also 0. Is not 0. Okay, this will increase 1. 1. We'll check for other one. Or why it's increasing? अरे increase जाते इसलिए दे. We'll check for this. Wrong है, पूरा code wrong है. What I will do now is I'll do 3. Simple. Wow. If C index, very simple question. How many times? No, how much time I'm taking, right? C index, this one and this one is then I'll increase 1. Odd count uh, increase by 1, and again I'll increase by 1. I'm something, it is very simple. I am doing it wrong. I know it. I have to fix it. If it is odd, the next number is also odd, then odd count increase by 1. We increase it by 1. Else if C index j mod 2 equals 0, and what we'll do, we will increase even count by 1. Last time ಅದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. I want to check the of j and j plus 1. Same here. So whether it is correct, checking correct or not. अरे क्या क्या टाइप बोला भाई. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. See, array have to take it from 0 and have to 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 2. Why 1 0 1 ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? 0 1 2 ಆತ. ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗೋದು? This is working, right? This is not working. ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಗೋಲ್ದೆ? Chat, this is not printing. ದೋಸ್ತು ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗೋಲ್ದೆ? ठीक है, 1 is printing. There is something problem in this. Index j mod 2 equals 0 and ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಎದಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತದ? ಬರೀ 2 ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಏನು? ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಚಾಟ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ 2 and 13 should be printed. No, it should not. ಹೆಂಗೈತೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 0 1 ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 0 1 1 2 2 ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ 1 1 2 3 4 0 ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್. ಏನು ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದಲ್ಲ, ಖಾಲಿ 6 1 1 1 2 2 3. Now it should print 0 1 1 2 2 3. No, 0 1 1 2 3 4 ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. It should print now. Perfect. 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 We got it, chat. We got it. Should we take it as a long? Yes, we should. We should. We should. We should. Where is int? Int. 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 No. No. It's 1777A. 100 more. 1777A. The dog is barking. We solved it. We solved it, chat. We solved it. We solved it. Huh. I think ರೇ ಬೊಗಳದ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಪ್ಪ. The first time. Solved it, chat. We solved it. We solved it. Chat, just a minute. I will close my window and come. Hi, chat. I'm back. The dogs were barking very loudly, so I have to. I had to. English. Ah, yeah, let it be. Let it be. I think it's working properly now. Let me check once again. I think ರೇ ಬೊಗಳದ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಪ್ಪ. The first time. Solved it, chat. We solved it. We solved it. So I have to. I had to. English. Ah, it's working solved properly. It. So I have to. I had to. English. Ah, yes, chat. We have officially finished. No, still there are two problems, right? Yes. Now we submitted this question. We will go to the next one. अरे आज तो आग ही लगा दी भाई हमने. Nice one, nice one. This is my second time. extremely round, right? Now we will do this. Let's call a positive integer extremely round if it has only one non-zero edge. For example, 5000, 4, 1, 10, 200. For example, 5004 ಇದು ಬಳಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Chat 1 second. I will fix this properly. No one see the ಕುಂದರ್ಲಿ. Chat. Nobody is watching right now. Yes, I will fix now only. Otherwise, Arey, people came, people came. I was just fixing my what mic. Yes, this is our fifth question, I guess. Today's fifth question. Fifth question today's. Okay, we'll start it. Let's call a positive integer extremely round if it has only one non-zero digit. For example, 5000. Only one non-zero digit. Okay, we got it. We got it. We got it. Extremely round integer or not. Okay. One non-integer. Okay, has 19. Calculate the number of extremely round integers from x such that. Okay. For 9 we will be having 9 because it is itself one digit, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. These all are non non-zero digit and they are single digits. From 10 is also we can consider it as perfectly extremely round integer. For 13 we have 1 till 9 and then we have 10. So we have, for 13 we have 10 integers. For 42 we have 9 and then, and now we'll use accelerator bapa bapa bapa. Saying is, for 13 we have 1 till 9 single digit numbers. From, no, we'll consider directly, right? From there, from 10 there is no integer which has single digit and other digits as 0. There is no such integer. For 100 we have 1 till 10 and then, or we can take it as 9 but we'll take 10. And from 10 we have till, no, from 20, because after 10 we'll be considering 20, because in between 10 and 20 there will be no single digit integer, right? Single digit integer which has all the digits, all other digit as 0 till 100. Till 100 these are 80, no, these are these are 8 digits, right? These are, we'll consider 8 and these are 10. The total are, no, we have to consider 9 itself, right? So 20, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. These are 9, 9, and then these 10. So total it is 19 digits. For 111, 1 till 10 is 10, and then 10, 20 till 100, it is 9. Together 19. But 110 cannot be considered because it has two non-zero. It should be having only one non-zero. It should be having only one non-zero, right? For this, how we can solve is how I can solve this is, I will take, what I can take. If the number is 10, or if the number is 10, uh, greater than, no, number is less than or equals to 10, then what I'll do, I'll just print that number. If the number is greater than 10, then I'll consider taking it as 10, and then from 10, if consider, if it is 100, if it is 100, I'll divide it by 10. How much I'll get? I'll get 10, right? And then I'll add 9 because before this there are 9 integers, so I'll get 19. But for 111, if I divide it by 10, it will be 110, but 110 cannot be considered. What I'll do now? What I should do now, chat? अरे भैया भैया, confusion, confusion, confusion. What I should do now is, I will consider, do now is, I consider, if it is 100, if any number by 10 is greater than 10, greater than 10, if any number greater than 100, any number greater than 100, any number greater than 100, 100. If you give ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು ನಂಗೆ 99 ಕೊಡ್ತಾನಂತ. what I'm thinking is, if consider, I'll take it as length. Okay, I will take it as 100. Okay, if it is 100, 30, 30. If it is 111, what I'll do, it is 3 digits, right? If it is 800, it should be 8. We should consider from 100 to 100 till 800. For every century, it should be 10 numbers considered. 10 numbers should be considered, right? So, if a number is greater than 100, we will divide it by 100. If it is if any number greater than 100, what I will do is, any number greater than 10, we'll take it as 100. No, we'll take it as, okay, we'll take it as 100. If anything number, it will be divided. If 100 mod 10 is equals 0, what I'll do is, and 110 is also mod 0 ನ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Now, if I divide it by 10, then it should equals to, simply consider it as string, then count it. But it is not a proper way. What I'll do is, I'll take it as length now. But we have to count all the integers before it, right? We have to take the nearest number which is having just one number. If it is 111, we have to consider 100, 3-digit number. ಅದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಾವು? 111 ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾವು 100 ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 219 ಏನೇ ಇರಲಿ, 299 ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾವು 200 ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ರಾಗ 90 ಮಟ ಬರಲೆ. 50s, let's consider. If it is, we'll take 111 also only, right? By what is length of this? Okay, we will consider length of this. If it is 3, then we'll multiply 10 with, no, Okay, what I will do now is, we got it, will somehow we will take its length. Okay, now we will, what we will do is, if it is, length is 3, we'll take it as 100. If length is 4, we'll take it as 1000. Now we will divide it by the nearest number. If the number is 10 and less than 100, we'll take it as, no. Okay, okay, chat. I have an idea. What I'll do now is, I'll consider if the number is greater than 100. If it is less than 100, we will, what we'll do is, we'll first take 9, and then we divide the number by, uh, just take 99. What I'll do is, I'll divide it by 10, we'll get 9, right? 9 from 10, 20, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 9 we got, and then we'll consider another 9 from 1 to 9. What we'll get is 9 plus 9, 18. That's what we will get. Now if the number is greater than 100, if the number is greater than 100, what I'll do now is, uh, I'll take, let's assume that, let's consider 111 is the, length length. What I'll do is, 111 by 10 plus, we'll take any integer, plus 1, uh, okay, by 10, which is 11, plus 1, uh, and then again by 10, what will be there, 1 again by 10 plus 1, so we'll get 3, right, for considering the length. Now if we have 3, then we'll consider, what we'll consider, okay, 2. This will be the power, right? This will not be considered, so it will be 2, so it will be power 10 power something, 2 or 3 or 4. Now it is okay, I got it. Just a minute, I will just, ah, I was just expanding my leg. Okay, what I will do now is, chat, ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ತೊಗೊಂಡೈತಿಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರಾಗ. ಇದ್ರಾಗ ನಾವು ಮೊದಲು ಲೆಂತ್ ತೊಗೊಬೇಕು. ಇಫ್ b is less than 100, less than or equals to 100, if b is less than or equals to 10, else, uh, see out b by 10, this is our first condition if b is less than or equals to 100. Now we will consider, taking the length of the integer that we get, the length above 100, above 100. Array, if we have 111, Let's assume it's 1000. When 1000 is 10 times, right? If it is 10,000, first else see out chat before considering length. What I thought is I'll just print it now. I'll just see out it. uh, b by if b by 100, b modulus 100, if b by 100, just see out b by 100. Let's assume it is 1000. Okay chat. If it is 1000, we divide by 100, we got 10. Like 100, we will not consider it. From 200 we will consider till 1000, right? We will get 9. Again we will get 9. If it is 10,000, we will get 100 numbers. Cha cha cha. I got it. B by 100. B by 100 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1000 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10 ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ I think I got it. 5 9 9 ಗೆ 9 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 13 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐತಿ. ಅರೆ ಅದು ತಪ್ಪ, ಸಾರಿ. 5 9 ಗೆ 9 42 13 100 ಗೆ 19. Perfect. Let's take 2 to 9. No, 2 3 2 3 2 20. How? 200 100 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 9 9 ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೋದು ಬಂದ್ರಿ. For 20 it is from 1 to 9, and then 10 till 100 is 10 numbers, and then it is the 200th number, which is 1, so it will be 20. Array, what did I do? What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? Array, no bro. I did control Z, right? I typed control Z, right? ಎಂತ ಚಲೋ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. I have to write it again. Shit ರೀ, forgot ರೀ, what I wrote. Okay, let's not go with that. If b is less than equals to 100, what I'll do is, if b is less than equals to 10, we will just see out b and enter there. uh, Else see out b by 10, which is, what is 11, b by 10 is 1. Let's consider b is 11. b is 11 ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. b is b by 10 ಏನು 10. I will just watch my stream what I did. b by 10 plus 1, okay, plus 9, right? b by 10 plus 9. Okay, if not else it is greater, we will print b by 10 plus 18. I think I wrote this itself. This only I wrote this only. Okay, chat, we will copy this. 1766A. It should work. अरे क्या wrong है भाई? 29, huh? I'm printing 29 there. No. अरे भाई. No bro, I should not. I should. अरे bro, what did I do? I should have considered it as 100, but what did I wrote? I wrote 10 there. It's okay. We will submit it once again. 1766A. Now it will be. I'm telling now. Now it will be a plenty huge number. Told you, right? Told you. Wrong on first number. With 25775. Stop number bracket. 825775 by 100. Array, then I'm definitely doing wrong it. Doing definitely wrong. आठ लाख 7 लाख. Array, then I'm doing it wrong. Then I'm doing it wrong. Then I have to count it. Then I have to count it. Then I have to divide it, and then you have to add here 18. Count the length and divide it by that number, and then I have to divide it. Okay, for that, for counting purpose, have to send here another function, count of b. You will write this and count int a. What we'll do now is uh, while a mod 10 a mod 10 a mod 10 ಅಲ್ಲ a by 10 1. ಅರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲ a is greater than 1. A by 10 C return then it should work. क्या था वो 82577 अरे 82577 count of B. ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಓ ಇದು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ. ರೌಂಡ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೊಡಿದ್ಲಿ ಈಗ? ಏಟ್ 825 775. I was writing that 1 by 825 775. It should not do like this. It should not. Let's take it as long. It's doing wrong. It's wrong. It's wrong. It's wrong. by power of 100 comma d. What I am doing is okay. Let's just print the power of 100 comma d. Okay, it should be now 1 2 3 4 5. It should be 100 power 100 into should be 100 power 2. D should be 2, right? But what I am doing here is I'm taking it a power of yeah, the worst mistake I am doing now. Okay, I will try to print what we are sending the power now. 2 1 2. Yes, it's correct. Now uh it's correct. 100 power 2, which will be 1 lakh, right? 100 power 2 is 1 lakh now. uh what we have to do now is, from 1 lakh, chat, I'll just look at the hint now, because it's extremely huge amount of how many digits can be non-zero. One, recompute numbers with a non-zero up to recompute round numbers with one non-zero digit, count elements less than one for each test case. Yeah, how can I do this? Wait, I'll just ask what's wrong with my code now. This is today's question, which we are actually asking. We are actually okay. We are getting it. Reasoning. What did I say now? We have to take string, but taking string would be like cheating, I guess. But it's okay. It's okay. If I would have done this at that time, we could have solved it. It was actually doing by string only. Hmm. Okay, he's directly taking its length. If its length is one, then print it one. If count, अरे, what is this length? Length first digit is equals to s index 0 minus 0. Our first digit should be actually the number, and other should be okay. That's okay. We got it. 9 is what from 1 to 9 will be present, and length minus 1. Length minus 1 will be actually uh, what 9 extreme numbers per full power of 10 digit plus for 10 digits it will be 9, and the length will be, if we have 8, right? We have 8, the length is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 nines are 45 plus 8, which will be 53. Now we have here, if we have, we should be having 8 lakh, right? 8 lakh. Now how much length will be there? uh, till that till that we'll consider 10 lakh, and then we'll have 9 numbers which will be having that number, right? 9 into length minus 1 and the plus digit. 9 into, if it is greater than 100, if it is greater, okay, we are not taking that. It's greater than, no, no, not greater than 9 for every, let's consider 10. The first digit is 1 and the length minus 1. Length is 2 minus 1 is 1, and uh, 1, 9 to 1 is 9 plus 1 will be 10. What if it has length is itself 1, it will be 0. For first it will be 9. What a code! What a code! ಎಂತ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಬರ್ದಾನ ನೋಡಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಅ ಕೋಡ್ ಚಾಟ್, ಭಾರಿ ಬರ್ದಾನ ಕೋಡ್. So he is taking a sky value and considering to int. Okay, it's good. Now we have 8 lakhs, right? We have 8 lakh. The length is 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay, good. 9 into 5 is 45 plus first digit is 8, so we are getting 53. Are we getting 53? We should get 53, because for till 8 lakh we'll be having 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh, 5 lakh, 6 lakh and 7 lakh, and also 8 lakh. And for in 19 till 100, from 100 till 1000 we have another 9 digits, and from 1000 we have another, till we get here 9 9 is 9 9 9 9 9 5 is 45. 45 plus first digit is 8. We're getting, okay, we have these 5. Okay chat, that's very nice. He is taking simply here it as string b and as in b. Now what we'll do is we'll take int same as his length as b dot length of. Now what we'll do is int first digit whatever it may be is equals to b index 0 minus b index, no, whatever the value may be, if we subtract, so it is also string, right? The first digit it will be string, and if we subtract from 0 we will get our integer value. Now what we'll do is we'll take int d as our answer. For that what we'll do is for 9 for every digit till 10, 9 into length, what is no chat, for every length, right? We have 100, it will be having 9. From 100 to, from 20 to from 100 to 90 it will be having 9. From for 1000 it, from 1000 to 9, for 1000 from 100 to 900. For 2000 from, no, for 10,000 from 1000 to 9000. So every digit in a given ring, for 1000 it will be 9, for 10,000 9, for 1 lakh 9, for 10 lakh 9, for 9 into len of b minus 1. We can't get len, right? We have len, right? We have to care len minus 1 first, and the first digit first. 1 second, I will open it. This is the problem statement. Just It's working, chat. We'll just submit it. Yes. Huppa. It was very headache. Means I made it very complicated for myself. You could have solved it earlier itself. It's okay. Yes. Oh Madhav, welcome to the stream. If you are new, please consider subscribing for my channel. Okay, we have finished this question now. The last problem remaining for CP-31, which is 31. We will finish it and then it should not take much time. Already 4 to 5 problems we have solved, right? Let me see how the chat is going. I think nobody is there today also. It's okay. Right. Let me see how the chat is going. I think nobody is there. We have another till we get here. Okay. Student, second year. You are given three integers n, a, b. Given three integers n, a, b. Determine if there exist two permutations p and q of length n. Determine if there exist two permutations p and q of length n for which the following conditions hold. The length of the longest common prefix of p and q is a. So longest common prefix, a suffix. Okay, the length of longest common prefix and suffix on. Okay, we'll see. We'll read the question completely, then we'll understand. Length of longest for given three integers n, a, b. Determine if there exist two permutations p and q. Okay, of length n. Two permutations. The length of longest common prefix of p and q is a, and the length of longest common suffix of p and q is p. Now permutation of array exactly once. For example, 2 3 1 5 4 is a permutation, but 1 2 2 2 is not. Two appears twice in array. Length n is an array containing each integer of 1 to n exactly once. For example, 2 3 1 5 4 is a permutation, but 1 2 2 is not. One 2 is appears in the array, and 1 3 4 is not a permutation. N equals 3, but there is 4 in the array, but not a permutation. N equals 3, but 3. Okay, n is given, a is given, b is given. If there is and n is given, a is given, b is given. For second decision, for second and third case, we can show that such pair of permutation does not exist. This one, the currently which I am ready, are you telling that one? No, the previous one. Okay. I was doing this for a long time. I'm getting bored now. It's okay. We will solve this question and then we will end this stream. One. Okay. For a permutation of length n is an array containing each integer from n to n. For example, 1, 2, 3, 1, 5, 4 is a permutation, but 1 to 2 is not permutation. Do I suppose? No. Exactly v1. A and B are present. 1 and 2. For B, why we have 1 and 1, A and B, 1 and 2, we can show that such a pair of permutation does not exist. The length of longest common prefix P and Q is A. For there should be a suffix and a prefix. What are these suffix and prefix? Now I think if there is a particular order, then it should be opposite of that. I am considering that. I might be completely wrong, but we will go with that only. First, okay. For the fourth one, he has given here, right? For the fourth one, 1 and B is also 1. A is 1 and B is 1. The length of longest common prefix and the length of longest common suffix of P and Q is B. I don't know what is this suffix and prefix. I have to wait a minute, chat. Hey, bhai. I want to ask just. I don't want answer, but I have to ask what is prefix and suffix here. 'A prefix is continuous block element starting from beginning left side of array or permutation. The longest prefix means both the permutation for first A position equals Q1, P2 equals Q2, but 2. Okay. अरे यार, क्या क्वेश्चन है भाई ये? प्रीफिक्स सफिक्स. The last question is irritating now. अरे I said for so long. I have to complete this question now. The last question is irritating now. अरे I said for so long. I have to complete this question now. So we have like what he's trying to tell is we'll read it with calm mind. A prefix is continuous block of element containing from beginning of an array or permutation. The longest common prefix means that both permutations P and Q are identical for first A positions. Means that both permutations P and Q are identical for first A positions is longest prefix, and the longest common suffix means at the very right end, so ending at the very right end, right side of an array or a permutation, the longest common suffix means that both permutation P and Q are identical for the last b positions. For example, n equals 5 and suppose P and Q are 1 2 3 4 5. Now in the example prefix both starts with 1 comma 2, so the length of the longest prefix is a equals 2. Middle at the index 3, q3 equals 4. They differ. Suffix both end with 5, so the length of common longest common suffix is b equals 1. Logic for the problem: a equals n, b equals n. Yes, identical. If a plus b is less than or n minus 2, yes. Otherwise, no. Okay. The answer. Why did you tell me the answer by? Is less than n minus 2. Let's consider. Let's consider it as. Let's consider it as. Okay. क्या आता है? 2 is 2. So if p is something, it should the length, it can be less than n minus 1 or it can be n, and it can be n and it can be n. Both can be n, right? But they should not be 0, they should be greater than 0. Array chat, what did I do now? I terminated it, chat. Wait a minute. Hmm, this one, right? if A plus B, okay, then what he is trying to tell is, if it is 1 means, then in both the arrays one one element is matching, and if it is 2, then prefix means two elements in continuous manner they are matching. If it is 3, then three elements continuous they are matching. If it is 4, in the continuous four elements are matching. Now, the suffix is 1 means the last element is matching. The 2 means last two elements are matching. If it is n, then all elements are matching from reverse, and prefix is n, then all the elements from starting are matching. That's what is that's what it means. Now, if both are equals, it's no problem. And if both are equal, then it is not a problem. We no. It's 1 and 1. It can be done like that. And so assume 3 1 3 1 2 3. So prefix is 1 and suffix is 1. It should, why it's not, what's splitting with 3 is, okay, we have only 3 elements. ಈಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾತಂಗ ಬಾಳೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Now I got it, chat. Now I got it. We have 1 2 3, and suffix and prefix are 1 1 each. Then 1 and 1 is there, and 3 and 3 is there. Now prefix will become 2, but it's just 1. So this should be, it is 2, right? It should be less than n minus 1. So 1 minus 2, which is 0. A plus B should be less than n minus 2, like he said here. Where did he say? Or equals to 2. No problem. If it is less minus 1 and greater than, so it should not be 0. It should not be 0. Okay, what if it's just 1 and it is 1 and 1, both are 1, right? The starting and ending is are at the same place, so it can be 1. So n minus 1 is 0. It can be a plus 1 can be greater than or equals to n minus 1, but it should n minus 1, no, it can't be 0. It can't be, right? A plus 1, a plus b should be actually n minus 1 or greater than n minus 1. Like if we have 1 2 3, we can't have 1 and 1, because for prefix we will be having 1 here, and for suffix we will be having 3 here. Then where will we place this? We will be placed obviously right here. Then prefix become 3 and suffix become 3. Then 6, n is 3 minus 2 should be 1. It's greater, it's not less than, so it can't be done, right? Okay, now I got it. Int B C D. What I'll do is, if B plus, no, C plus D is less than or equals to N B minus 2, then C out, else and L. It should work. For loop ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. For loop ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾಡ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಪ. ಸಿ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು ಸಿ. No, C plus D. What is C plus D? 1 plus 1 is 2. It is less than or minus 1. Even if it is equals n, it is okay. Okay. 17618. Chat. We have completed. We have completed CP-31. We have officially completed CP-31's 800 rating problem. All the 31 questions. So from tomorrow we can go with 900 and 1000 rated problems. आग लगा दी भाई, आज ने आग लगा दी. No copyright niche. What a small name, bro. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. By the way, if you are new, please consider subscribing. Today we completed CP-31's 600 rated problem. All 31 problems. आप कौन से लैंग्वेज का कर रहे हो? I am actually solving C++. C++. Okay, now let's talk with the chat. मैं भी शुरू कर रहा हूँ. स्टार्ट कर दीजिए आप. आप किस ईयर में हो? Like in your college, in which year are you currently studying, bro? मैं शुरू कर रहा हूँ. Okay. पॉइंटर्स में अटक गया। मीन्स मैं समझा नहीं कुछ। सेकेंड ईयर अगस्त में बिगिन है। सेम 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 सेम, आई एम ऑल्सो सेकेंड ईयर। पॉइंटर्स का मैंने क्या किया ना, आई होप यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट 2 पॉइंटर्स। वी आर जस्ट लाइक हमें भी सिखाए हैं लाइक 2 पॉइंटर्स वगैरह, बट लाइक कोड फोर्सेस में लाइक 800 में और 900 में उतना वगैरह काम नहीं है उसका। आप अगर सॉल्व करना चाहते हो तो आप 800 का सॉल्व कर लीजिए, उसमें उतना ज़्यादा नहीं है, बाद में आप सीख सकते हो। हाँ, अगर आपके सेम वगैरह में आते हैं तो उधर आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो। आई एम ऑल्सो बिगिनर राइट। फॉर 2 पॉइंटर्स आई हैव, मैं जस्ट 6 डेज पहले सी प्लस सीखना शुरू किया। आप जल्दी सीख जाओगे, डोंट वरी। अरे मैं भी लाइक रिवर्स में आज भी कितने प्रॉब्लम्स, आई वॉज स्टक राइट फॉर रिवर्सिंग फ्रॉम द सेकेंड इंडेक्स। आई वॉज जस्ट आस्किंग जेमिनी, आई नो एस टी एल्स बट आज सी एफ में अकाउंट भी खोला। नाइस भाई, आपका अकाउंट नंबर, अकाउंट का आईडी नंबर बोल दीजिए, आईडी नाम, योर आईडी नेम, सो दैट आई कैन सेंड यू अ फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट देयर। इधर ही चैट में भेज दीजिए, मैं आपको क्या बोलते हैं रिक्वेस्ट भेज देता हूँ। आपका डिस्कॉर्ड और लिंक्डइन है भाई। क्या हुआ, माई अनदर फ्रेंड वॉज देयर ऑल्सो नॉट फिशी। उसका क्या हुआ, उसने मुझे डिस्कॉर्ड का नाम दिया, मुझे डिस्कॉर्ड यूज़ ही नहीं करता हूँ ना मैं, उस उसमें जाके उसका नाम सर्च करना में दिक्कत हुआ मुझे। एंड आई हैव लिंक्डइन, इफ़ यू वांट, वेट मैं अपना लिंक्डइन खोलता हूँ इधर। मैंने कुछ भी पोस्ट नहीं किया, दिस इज माई अकाउंट, दिस इज माई अकाउंट, कुछ भी पोस्ट नहीं किया मैंने। Zenith Emperor, wait then I'll search it। वेट मैं रिक्वेस्ट सेंड करता हूँ लिंक्डइन, हाँ भेज दो भेज दो। क्या आपके नाम जेनिथ डबल एन, जेनिथ एम्प्रोर, सेट कैपिटल क्या आपका? करेक्ट है ना? डबल आर, आई थिंक यही है आपका अकाउंट। नाइस नाइस नाइस, ये आपका नया अकाउंट है क्या? लिंक्डइन आईडी वापस से दिखाएगा, ये लीजिए। यप। मुझे मुझे आप ये बताइए, अगर मैं लिंक्डइन डिस्कॉर्ड में जाऊँ और मैं आपका नाम सर्च करूं, मुझे एक दोस्त का सर्च करना है उसमें, आपका डिस्कॉर्ड है क्या? भेज दिया आपने? एक मिनट, आया आया शायद आया। ये आप कहो क्या, सोहम सिंह? ये क्या आपका? यस, एक्सेप्ट कर दिया मैंने। एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी कोलकाता। अरे भाई, मेरा वीडियो कोलकाता तक आ रहा है क्या आपके पास? आई एम फ्रॉम कर्नाटका बाय द वे। नॉट दैट इशू बट इट स्टेप्स आपको लगेगा बोलेगा। यप। फाउंडेशन हुआ अभी। ओ अच्छा, नाइस थे। वी कैन सॉल्व टुगेदर नाउ राइट। कल से आप भी ज्वाइन कर लीजिएगा, हम सॉल्व करेंगे साथ साथ। कंप्यूटर साइंस से क्या आप भी? आई गेस आप भी कंप्यूटर साइंस हो। कितना स्टूपिड क्वेश्चन पूछा मैंने। मैंने आई डोंट नो कैसे करते, लाइक ट्यूटोरियल से क्या लर्न सीपीपी ऑफ बुक्स। एम बी सी, अच्छा अब बी सी से बुक्स सीपी के लिए। हमारे हमारे कॉलेज में हमें सिखाया गया था सी प्लस प्लस। अगर आप यूट्यूब पे सीखना चाहते हो तो आप बोलिए। मैं एक चैनल है, उसका नाम बोल देता हूँ, लव है उसका नाम, लव। आई लव, ये बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाते हैं भाई। सी प्लस प्लस के लिए। माई फ्रेंड एक्चुअली रिकमेंडेड हिज चैनल। इफ यू वांट आई कैन बोलूँ। रुक जाए। ब्रोकोड, ब्रोकोड से अच्छा। मैं ना आपको एक दिखाता हूँ, रुक जाए। सी प्लस प्लस के लिए लव, ये वाला, ही इज बेटर भाई। हाँ लाइक 10-20 सेकेंड वो क्या होता है, बफरिंग टाइम ले लेता है मेरा। यही है भाई, खतरनाक पढ़ाते हैं, खतरनाक। मेरा लैपटॉप है भाई, लैपटॉप। श्योर, चेकआउट करूँगा, हाँ बिल्कुल कीजिए। अगर आप सी प्लस प्लस इससे सीखना चाहते हो तो क्या है ना, इधर वेट, उसका प्लेलिस्ट है, मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा। हियर।
भाई
अरे भाई एड्स।
आया है नॉट एज ए इंटीजर, तो ये
दिस सी प्लस प्लस बेसिक्स फॉर कॉम्पिटिटिव प्रोग्रामिंग पार्ट 1। 7 वीडियोज है इस प्लेलिस्ट में, आप देख सकते हो।
अगर आपको सी प्लस प्लस नहीं
विच लैपटॉप? मेरा वो लेनोवो थिंक पैड, पुराना वाला। ब्रो यूज़ कीजिए फॉर यूट्यूब बेटर है, ऐड नहीं देता। हाँ अच्छा, मुझे यूज़ करना चाहिए वो ब्राउज़र। मैंने सोचा था यूज़ करने के लिए, बट लेकिन ठीक है क्या, मैं यूट्यूब तो ज़्यादा खोलता नहीं हूँ, फिर स्ट्रीम के लिए खोलना हो, ज़्यादातर तो इंस्टा में चला जाता है ना, वरना कोड फोर्सेस। मेरा थिंक बुक है अभी, लिया जस्ट। अच्छा, नाइस नाइस। मन था थिंक पैड था, बट प्राइस बढ़ गया 20K अचानक से। अरे मेरा ना, मैं सेकेंड हैंड लिया हूँ, सेकेंड हैंड लिया था मैंने थिंक पैड, मुझे 25,000 का मिला वो थिंक पैड। थिंक पैड ही है ना ये? हाँ थिंक पैड, थिंक पैड। आई फॉरगॉट इट। अरे कोई भी लैपटॉप चलेगा, फिर 1-2 साल बाद गेमिंग लैपटॉप लेंगे, फिर उससे स्ट्रीम करूँगा मैं गेम्स। हाँ ड्यूरेबिलिटी अच्छा है उसका। एंड ऑल्सो कोई आपका गोल टू लर्न सी प्लस प्लस एंड ऑल? मैं मतलब समझा नहीं आप क्या बोल रहे, एंड ऑल्सो कोई आपका गोल टू सी प्लस प्लस एंड ऑल, मतलब क्या, क्या करूँगा मैं इससे आगे, ये पूछ रहे हो क्या आप? इसलिए आई ऑल्सो वेंट टू थिंक बुक। मस्त कीबोर्ड है हाँ, मुझे थिंक बुक का पता नहीं, बट वो एसस का है ना थिंक बुक। नो वो वीवो बुक है, सॉरी, वो वीवो बुक है। मतलब गोल है क्या, एनी रीज़न वाई सी प्लस प्लस? ये कॉम्पिटिटिव प्रोग्राम के लिए वही स्टैंडर्ड लैंग्वेज है ना, सो कॉम्पिटिटिव प्रोग्रामिंग में ज़्यादातर अदर लैंग्वेज लाइक पाइथन एंड पाइथन तो वही स्लो हो जाता है। फॉर सी प्लस प्लस इट इज़ मेजर कम्युनिटी इज देयर फॉर दैट, तो सी प्लस प्लस स्टैंडर्ड माना जाता है इसीलिए। एंड ऑल्सो हमारे कॉलेजेस में भी सी प्लस प्लस ही स्टैंडर्ड मान लिया गया है, तो वी आर, सो आई एम डूइंग सी प्लस प्लस इटसेल्फ। के नीचे आता है लेना प्लोमो लेना कहीं, हाँ। एंड ऑल्सो सी सी प्लस प्लस ना एक फास्ट लैंग्वेज है, सो दैट्स वाई। ऐसी पीसी सुनी, हाँ सुना हूँ, सुना हूँ, सुना हूँ, बट इट्स वेरी हार्ड राइट। पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए बहुत प्रैक्टिस करना चाहते हैं भाई, उसके लिए करना है उसके लिए। आप प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो या उसके लिए? क्या अगर आप कोई आपके कॉलेज में आपकी फ्रेंड्स? आई एम ट्राइंग फॉर दैट विद सम ऑफ माई फाइनल ईयर सीनियर्स। अच्छा, आपके सीनियर्स खतरनाक लगते हैं ब्रो। ट्राइंग फॉर दैट विद सम ऑफ माई फाइनल ईयर्स। हाँ ठीक है, नहीं मैं आप कल आज जाइएगा, आज जाइएगा। मेरा हिंदी बहुत ख़राब है भाई। मैं ना अभी स्ट्रीम एंड कर दूंगा, बहुत टाइम हो गया, 12 बजने वाले हैं, मेरी मम्मी डांटेगी अब। आप आप सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, कल मिल जाएंगे, सेम टाइम 9 o'clock को भी मिल जाएंगे, ठीक है। आप अपना काम कर लीजिए, बहुत टाइम हो गया, मैं भी जाता हूँ। मिलते हैं कल। हाँ, मिलते हैं कल। एंड सॉरी आई एम लीविंग यू फॉर अर्ली। श्योर श्योर, कल मिलते हैं, हाँ भाई, कल मिलते हैं। एंड या, thank you everybody who is watching or who have watched. We will meet tomorrow. Tomorrow, done bro, done. Same for you. Okay chat, bye. I am ending